Dino V3 is a state-of-art method for training self-supervised vision models. Developed by Meta AI, it creates models that produce high-performance, versatile image features without needing any human labeling data. These features can be directly used for a wide range of computer vision tasks like image classification, segmentation, and depth estimation with minimal or no fine tuning. Think of it as a powerful all purpose foundation model for vision that has learned a deep semantic understanding of the visual world just by looking at millions of images on its own. What problem does it solve? Traditional computer vision models rely heavy on supervised learning, which require a massive dataset of images that have been manually labeled by humans. Example, this is a cat, this is a car. So, a model trained to recognize cat might not be good at recognizing medical scan like images. Self-supervised learning SSL aim to solve this by letting models learn from the data itself without labeling. Dino V3 is same as like one model. How does it work? The name Dino V2 stands for distillation with no labels. The V3 signifies the third most advanced iterations. It is training inspired by how teachers teach students. The high-level process involves two neural networks with same architecture, a teacher and a student. So it have two different views. A single image is transformed into two different ways. One is global view as a teacher, and a different more augmented view it is local is given to as a student. The student network is trained to predict the output of the teacher's network. The teacher weight are not updated by gradient descent, they are slowly updated as exponential moving average of the student's weight. This means the teacher slowly evolve providing a stable constituent target for students to learn from. Over millions of images students are commonly using for this purpose. The key advancement in V3 are efficiency. It introduced a more computational efficient framework allowing them to train on a massive scale. No labeling needed. It focus on refining existing components rather than inventing entirely new technique. The result is robust and stable training recipe. Massive dataset is using here. They quered a high quality dataset of 142 million parameters. The key features why it is a big deal. No labeling needed. It is pre-training is completely self-supervised. A single pre-trained Dino V3 model perform exceptionally well on diverse set of tasks, mainly image classification. Example, ImageNet. In semantic classification, labeling each pixel in an image, it estimates how far each pixel is from the camera. Different available models are Dino V3 Small, it is 21 million parameters, Dino V3 Base, 86 million parameter, 3 Large, 300 million parameters, and V3 Giant is 1.1 billion parameters. The summary states that Dino V3 is a foundational self-supervised vision model that learns universal features by having a student network learn to mimic a teacher network view of an image. It eliminates the need for label pre-training data and providing a powerful off-the-shelf features that excel at a wide variety of computer vision tasks. It is a fundamental building block for modern AI vision systems. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.